All right, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Urrutia here, and I'm going to go over Unit 1, Lesson 5, practice problem number 5. Here's our first lesson with 5 problems. Select all ratios that are equivalent to 12 and 3. Explain how you know. Okay, so remember, with an equivalent ratio, you can get to it by multiplying 12 and 3 by the same number or dividing by the same number. Doesn't have to be a whole number. It can be a fraction, but as long as you're doing it the same way to both numbers in the ratio, then you will have an equal ratio. So the first one here, 6 and 1. Well, I know 6 is 12 divided by 2, and 1 is not 3 divided by 2. So this one is not an equal ratio. Part B, 1, 4. I can tell right away that this is not going to be an equal ratio because the order has changed. In the original one, the larger number was first. And in this one, it is not first anymore. And I can also do 12 divided by 12 gives me 1. But if I do 3 divided by 12, I am not going to get 4, so that one doesn't work. Part C, notice the difference here. The order is correct. Now I'm going to do 12 divided by 3 is 4. And 3 divided by 3 is 1. So this one does work. I divided both numbers by 3, and I got this ratio. Part D, this one will also work. Notice the numbers. 24 is 12 times 2, and 6 is 3 times 2. So I'm multiplying both numbers by 2 to get this ratio. It works. Part E, notice the pattern here is adding 3. So 12 is 15 plus 3. 6 is 3 plus 3. When you are adding the same number to both sides in the ratio, it is not a ratio. You have to multiply by the same number, not add the same number. Part F. This one is intimidating, but it is just taking the original ratio and multiplying it by 100. So that is an equal ratio. I multiplied both numbers by 100. 12 times 100 is 1,200. 3 times 100 is 300. And part G, 112 and 13. This one, they literally just put a 1 in front of it. That is not an equal ratio. You need to multiply by the same number. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.